Major organs of human body. Internal organs. For this we have to study the human anatomy, and the cells form the tissues form the organs, and organs form the organ system, and finally the organism. So today we shall take up human organs, and to study the human organ we have to study the anatomy and as well as physiology. We have chart for that. So before that I must tell you that we have studied cell, and different types of cell or group of cell form the tissue, and different types of tissue form the organ, and organ, it is organ which form the organ system, and finally the organism. Okay. So there are in our syllabus there are 12 types of organ which are in the syllabus, although there are many more, but you have to study skin, stomach, pancreas, liver, lungs, heart, kidney, spleen, brain, spinal cord, testes in male and ovaries in female. Okay. So I will start from the skin. We'll find out the position where the located in the body and as well as the function. So first of all we deal with the position and location and function. Then I will show you in the chart. So first of all, let's talk about the skin. The skin is located on the outer surface of the body. Okay. And the function is protection against injury and infection, as we know already, and as well as it's a sensory organ for touch, heat and pressure. Okay. Now stomach is located on the left side, just above below the diaphragm. Its function is the store and partly digest the food, and as well as secrete gastric juices, enzymes as well as HCl. Now pancreas, it is located on the posterior side of the abdomen, and function is secretes different digestive enzyme and produces hormone like insulin and glucagon. That is important. Now come to the liver. It is located right side, just below the diaphragm, or it is secreted bile juice to digest the protein, as well as it help in storage and metabolism of food. Now the lungs, as we know, it is located on the either side of the chest cavity. It help in inspire oxygen, inhale oxygen, rich air, and expire and exhale carbon dioxide rich air. Now heart, it is located in the chest cavity between the two lungs. It function is pump blood through blood vessel, as well as it contact through systole and relax through diastole. And kidney, it is located on the either side of the back of the wall of the abdomen, and the main function is formation of a urine through filtration of blood, and as well as regulation of water and electrolyte balance in the body. Now come to the spleen. It is the upper part, located on the upper part of the body, left to the stomach. Just its function is synthesis of blood cell and fall infection, and it's called as the graveyard of the RBC. Yani the RBC is stored there. Now come to the main cheese, brain. It is located inside the skull, and it is a process all sensory information, and it is a center of memory and intelligence, we know already. And spinal cord, it is connected to the brain, to extend the brain from the to lower waist through the vertebral column. So its function is receive and process the nerve impulses and connect the brain and other organ of the body. Now the testes, which is found in male, it is held in the scrotum pouch sac. It is outside the male body, and formation is formation of male gametes, so that is a sperm, and as well as it secretes some main hormone, that is testosterone. Now ovary is found in the female only. It is located on either side of the lower abdomen in female, and its function is formation of female gamete, that is ovum, and the formation of secretion of estrogen and progesterone is a female hormone, as well as relaxin also. Okay. So these are the, I told you, which is in our syllabus, 12 major organs, their position and their function. Now I will show you in the chart. Okay. So here I am trying to show the different organ in our body. It is a female body. So you can see the skin is present all over the surface. Skin, then stomach is there. Then pancreas is somewhere here, below, beside the pancreas, and liver is supposed to be the big largest digestive gland. Okay. Then lungs do either side of the chest cavity, and the heart in between the lungs. Then kidney, we can see here kidney. It is on the back wall of the lower abdomen. Okay. Then spleen, it is somewhere here, and brain, you know, is the brain, and spinal cord is just the back of the just like in the vertebral column, it is located in the hollow cavity of the, and testes, it is female body, therefore testes is in the scrotum, here just below the penis, and the ovary is present on either side of the lower abdomen in the female. So I have shown you the location, and for further I will show you in the human physiology chart. Okay. So now the same organ I will show you in the human physiology chart. Our skin is there. There is a section of skin. You can see the section of skin. The different layers are there, and these are the hairs. Skin. Now stomach is there. Stomach. Then pancreas is there, just below the horizontal position. Pancreas. Then you have liver is there, is the largest digestive gland in the body, and lungs you have seen already, and we have heart is there, magnified, then kidney is there, section is there, the spleen is there, you can see the spleen just below the stomach, and brain, of course, is the brain, in the location is there, is the section, side view, median view, brain, and spinal cord is there, just in the vertebral column, side view. Spinal cord is there, staying from the brain to the base of the lower part of the body. Then testes we have seen in that chart, and ovaries we have seen in that chart. Beside that, we have a major organ like which is not in our syllabus, like eyes hai, ear hai, these are the major organ. Blood vessels are there, muscles are there, these are the some organ. Or blood is there, So I showed you the different types of organ in the chart of human anatomy as well as the human physiology. Some of the chart is present there, and some of the organ is present here. Section view and pertaining to the location and function. That's all, है ना. So in the next in this way we have finished the first summative part, है ना, first summative examination up to this organ. Then start from inshallah for the next second summative examination in the next lecture. ठीक है, thank you. Allah Hafiz.